In order to remove the condenser, we're actually going to have to move the distributor cap from where we put it earlier. And flat-bladed screwdriver. Remember, this is an early style distributor, so if you have a different style, don't worry, your condenser may be somewhere else. And it's just a case of cracking this off. A bit of a fiddle to get to, and it's another one of those things that you really don't want to be dropping. There we go, just loosening it off. And there is the condenser and the screw. And we can draw those down because on this particular distributor model, the plug where the wire goes into the body is right underneath, and you're just not going to be able to see that, just trust me. Okay, now these can be quite tight, but what I've done at the moment is leave the other end of the condenser wire that's attached to the coil. I've left that in place just in case I happen to drop it, and it'll be easier to find and recover. We'll just use a flat-bladed screwdriver to gently prise it down. And in some cases, again, if you're careful, you can just put a screwdriver in from above and just push down, but be careful you don't push too hard and damage your finger. Feed it through, just disconnect. Remember, it's on the negative side of the coil. There we are. And there's our old condenser out in one, and you can see there was quite a bit of oil on that one, and this was plugged in from underneath. And here is your new condenser that we're fitting then. Remember, this is the one that fits up from underneath, so it's got quite a fat round surface here and a relatively short wire on the other side here because it just literally goes up behind the vacuum advance. And the other popular style is this style here for the 009, and here is a smaller circle here, and you've also got these little recesses on the back where a separate plate that grips them goes in place. And the other way of identifying them is that the wire that goes from the jumper there down to the condenser is quite a bit longer. So that's the wrong one. This is the right one, which fits from underneath rather than on the side. So it's a simple case of locating it, pushing it gently into place, and then just using a flat-bladed screwdriver, quite a large one, just to prise it gently up the last bit. And then the condenser body itself, we remove the distributor cap over again, screws back in up here. Well, with a bit of a fiddle, we've got the condenser screwed in. Again, work from above, it's easier if you can see what you're doing and make sure it's well lit. And then the one final thing to do is just to reconnect the points down onto the condenser wire. Remember, this one is an early distributor, so that's right in the base of the distributor. If you've got a later distributor, or certainly an 009, you'll be having an easier job of it and pushing it through the side. So just a case of pushing it in, making sure it won't be falling off. And then you can put on your dust cap, your rotor arm, and your distributor cap, and the job is done. Well, that's the distributor cap back on, and one final thing to do then to complete the job is to connect your condenser wire onto the negative side of your coil. And again, for quick reference, that'll be the opposite side to where all the parts that go onto the carburetor are. Well, if you had an 009, then you wouldn't have had the extra inconvenience of the vacuum retard unit. But if you have got one, just replace that little vacuum line back onto the unit, and of course the carburetor from where it gets its vacuum. Well, there we are then. A not difficult job, but it can be a little bit fiddly. Now, with your points, if you're still running points on your distributor, then you need to check them about every 3,000 miles or so. And when they start closing up, you'll get to know that there's a loss of power and it might be difficult to start. So about every 3,000 miles, a couple of times a year, depending on how much you use the vehicle. Or you may wish to consider upgrading to an electronic pointless system, which of course is available from JK Online.